All right, y'all, every brand is looking for creators right now. But if you don't pitch yourself the right way, your message will get buried. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to land holiday collabs and actually get paid. Let's talk about it. Hey creators, I'm Bree-Ze the creator, and welcome back to the Creators Corner. Okay, this is episode 17, and today we're going to be talking about how to pitch holiday collabs and get gifted this season. Let's start. All right, so we all know that it's the holiday season, which means the brands, okay, are in full marketing mode. Don't play with them. They are looking for the influencers and content creators to partner with for the biggest campaigns of the year. But here's the thing, they are not just waiting for you to find them. This is the game about the early bird gets the worm, okay? So the creators who pitch early, who pitch well, and who pitch right are the ones that get the bags and the PR boxes. I'm telling you. So in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through the perfect holiday collaboration pitch from your subject line to your follow-up, okay? And this is going to be the way for you to stand out amongst hundreds of DMs and emails that brands are getting right now. And yes, we're a little late, but better late than never, right? Let's talk about it. All right, so in section 1, we're going to be talking about why is now the time to pitch. And really first things first, now isn't the time to pitch. We're late, okay? By the time y'all seeing this, we're already late, but that is okay. You want to pitch, in my personal opinion, in the third quarter. You want to pitch early third quarter, okay? You want to follow up when we're talking about the holiday season, end of year holiday season. You want to pitch at the beginning of the third quarter, okay? And then at the end of the third quarter, you want to do a check-in and a follow-up, okay? And immediately when fourth quarter starts, you want to get in there. You want to be in them DMs. You want to be in them inboxes. You want to be liking. You want to be in their comments. You want to just show up everywhere, okay? Now, October through December is the time that the brands are spending the money. Okay, this is where they're actually sending the checks. Okay, now they have set their year-end budgets already, y'all, and they are searching for relatable faces, reliable people to actually promote their holiday sales. So if you have been building your content up all year as you should have, then this is your moment. So even with, I want to tell y'all, even with a small following, okay, your engagement and your creativity is what's going to matter more than your followers, okay? They are just numbers at this point. We need engagement. We need action happen behind it, okay? All right, let's get into section 2, okay, which is what brands are actually looking for. I just want to point out, yes, I'm missing nails. I just did that. I'm going to glue them back on. And y'all, let's see them back on the next video. So mind your business. Anyway, section 2, what are the brands actually looking for? They want authenticity. They want clarity, and they want creators who already fit their brand. So before you go pitching and bothering people, okay, follow the brand. Engage with their posts and content that they are already posting. Tag them naturally in content that you already create. This is not where you want to just reach out to new brands and things that you've never worked with, never shown interest in, never talked about. You don't want to do that. You want to do things that you've been using in your content already all year long. So for instance, everybody know that I'm a Neutrogena girly down bad. I love Neutrogena real bad, okay? For instance, I'm going to tag them in this, me talking about how I love Neutrogena real bad. They're going to be in my hashtags. I'm going to clip this, okay? Is that what y'all call it on Twitch? Clip this real quick or something like that? Yeah, I'm going to have them do that. Y'all know I ain't no Twitch girl. But I'm going to clip that of me talking about how I love Neutrogena down bad, and I'm going to post it and I'm going to tag them. I use Neutrogena every single morning. So every morning for your morning routine, whatever you're using, use them hashtags, tag their brand, tell them you love their product, go play in their DMs and their comments a little bit. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about when I say naturally that you already use. Yeah. Okay. Now, by the time your pitch hits their inboxes, you are not a stranger to them. You're already on their radar. That's what we want. All right. So get your pen and paper and let's get into it, because I'm going to tell y'all exactly what you need to say. Pen and paper. I'll wait. I'm folding my arms. Because you should have really already had your pen and paper. Because y'all know how we get down on the Creators Corner, dropping them gems. Go get it. I'm waiting.
3 hours later.
You got it? All right. Let's get into it. Section 3, how to write your holiday pitch, Bookie. Let's talk about it. Your pitch should be short, confident, and aligned with their goals. Okay? Yes, y'all goals need to align, but you need to be aligning with their goals. Your life needs to naturally align with what they're trying to do. Okay? So here is a sample. You can tweak this how you want to, but here's a sample, a really good sample that I know works because I've used it before. Okay? Subject line: holiday collaboration opportunity. Your name, okay? And then you're going to put an X and put the brand's name. So we'll use Neutrogena since that's what we're talking about. Holiday collaboration opportunity, Bree-Ze Coleman, X Neutrogena. X just means and or with, togetherness. That's what that represents, okay? So you're going to say hi, and then you're going to put the brand's contact. If you can find someone, an extra email or name through LinkedIn or Instagram or something like that, or know somebody, if you can find the name of a person and grab their email, perfect. If not, use the regular customer service email. That's fine. We just trying to get in the mix, okay? And then you can just put the brand's name if you don't have a contact name. So hi, Neutrogena, or hi, John at Neutrogena. Then you'll put, I love the brand name Neutrogena, or I love how Neutrogena is celebrating specific product or theme. It could be, I love how they're celebrating this 2025 holiday season with a Neutrogena cleansing scrub balm with cinnamon scents and cinnamon toast notes or something, right? Like if they made a product or a scrub or something that had like Christmas theme, you know what I'm saying, colors or whatever. I love how they're celebrating this with their holiday themes or whatever. I'm a, and put your creator type. I'm a beauty creator, skincare creator, self-care. I'm a lifestyle content creator based in, put your city, okay? And for me, I am in 3 demographics because I go to these places very regularly. So Memphis, Nashville, Atlanta. Literally, I would take a drive in a day to go there. That is why I include them in there at any moment. As long as there's not an emergency going on, I will get up and same day go to those places. So you can, if you can do that and you have the freedom to do that, I would say definitely include those in your geographics as of where you are based. I am in Memphis, Atlanta, and Nashville, and I'd love to collaborate this holiday season to create engaging content that highlights your product or campaign. Put the name of it, your such and such and such body scrub, Christmas theme, scented, whatever, or your Christmas campaign, whatever it's called. Okay. Next segment you're going to have, my audience is primarily, put what your niche and demographics are. Young black women ages 18 to 30, or you, if you're, you could say like single moms or whatever, makeup enthusiasts or skincare or, whatever. Put your stuff. And I specialize in, and then put your type of content. And by type of content, I'm not saying your niche again. What I am saying is by types of content in short form reels, long form YouTube videos, voiceovers, unboxings, reviews, put that in there. Okay. And for me, I would put all 5 of them because I specialize in all of that. And then you'll put, here are my links plus my media kit. Okay. Give them one link to go to if you can help it to find your link. So like Linktree, there's another one that starts with a B, like a stand. I think they have multiple links. Like give it one place or your website and it can just have all your stuff. Give them one link. Don't link every single social media, TikTok, Instagram. Don't do that. Okay. And then you'll put looking forward to working together. Thank you for your time. I wish you all the best. And then you're going to put your legal name and then your social media names. That's it. Simple, polite, and really, really professional. And then you'll add an attachment to your media kit. That's what I do because my media kit is a PDF document. I don't like to send, and you can, Canva links of your media kit. But they don't always configure correctly if people are looking at it on different devices. And people have sent me those things. And when I can't like see it on whatever I'm already looking at it on, I never go back to it. It's just something about it that irritates me. Like if you made it on an iPad or made it on a computer and I'm clicking your link on my phone, it won't configure for whatever reason. I don't know if somebody know what that's about, comment below, but I don't know why Canva doesn't configure to all devices automatically. It'd be all combobulated. So yes, I would suggest you send them the PDF file attachment if you're having that same issue too. That could just be a me thing, but when I open my Canva links on other devices, it's always discombobulated, and other people's too. All right, let's get into section 4, where to find the brand contacts, okay? These are the places I would suggest that you look for the PR contacts on, okay? Ready? Pen and paper? Let's take notes. Number 1 is going to be the brand website under press or contact pages. Sometimes I want to let y'all know press and media do not have anything to do with their collaborations, influencers, or anything like that. There are some companies that specifically have departments for influencers or collabs and things like that. But if you don't see it, use what you got, literally. I will use customer service if I have to and just bug them till they help me find somebody else. I'm just letting you know. Number 2 is going to be LinkedIn searches, okay? You can type in on your LinkedIn that brand name that you want to work with. Click on that brand, and then over to the side, I'm talking about on the desktop. I don't know what that looks like on the phone because I really do all my big work on my computer. So type that brand, click that brand. Sometimes it'll have employees and then it'll have decision makers. If they have decision makers, I would go through decision makers first. I work my way up and then down instead of down and then up. So if they have decision makers highlighted, I would automatically click decision makers. Kind of go through that and try to go to somebody who would be over that department. So influencer marketing, content creation, social media management, collaborations, partnerships, that type of thing, branding, all of those type of words is what I would search and get an email from the people on there. If you cannot get an email from those people, you can send them a little message, a DM on LinkedIn. You connect with them and it'll ask you if you want to send a note before you connect. Send a note. Always send a note before you're connecting with strangers on LinkedIn and tell them like, hey, I just thought you were cool. Or if it's business, hi, I'm a content creator. Just wanted to connect with you, interested in seeing if there are any open UGC or content creator opportunities for this holiday season. Boom. And send it to those people. And if they aren't the right person, they typically will connect you to the right person. Because that's in my experience. Number 3 is you're going to use different platforms like Aspire IQ. Write that down. Aspire IQ. Okay. You're going to use Collab Star STR. Collab STR. COLLAB STR. You can also use your TikTok creator marketplace. Okay. TikTok creator marketplace. And then again, you can always DM these brands on Instagram. Hey, who can I email about collaborations? I'm telling you, it works. Now, if it also kind of depends. Sometimes they respond, sometimes they don't, but I have had them respond and they tell you where to go more times than not because they need us too. All right, let's get into section 5 so we can get this thing wrapped up, y'all. I don't know what's happening. My videos are getting a little longer. I have information to share. Anyway, section 5, follow up on relationship building, okay? If they don't respond within 5 to 7 days, follow up one time very politely. Here's a follow-up message, y'all. Ready? Hi, just circling back or just checking back in on my previous message. I would love to collaborate this holiday season if there's an opportunity available. I'm also open to gifted collaborations. Okay. Now, whether they say yes or no, keep them in your spreadsheet of contacts because brands often will reach back out later on, especially when they see that your holiday content has started to perform. Okay. And so what I would do is I have a spreadsheet. I'm thinking about selling my spreadsheet, but I'm still tweaking it. So we're going to see, but it's really, really dope and really great. It just checks all my boxes off right now, but it allows you to organize all of your brand collabs, the company's names, their emails, who's the point of contact if you got one. Did you reach out to them? Have you not sent it yet? Have you sent it? Are you waiting? Are you in follow-up set? Are you in the follow-up phase? It has on there the date that you sent the initial contact, the date that you sent the follow-up. Like, it just has all the things that you need to check off all of your boxes. Okay. So yeah. Now, we're about to wrap this thing up, but without further ado, it's time for homework. Alrighty, y'all, it's ready. First, let's do our recap. Okay, first, you want to warm up your favorite brands right now. I'm talking about getting them DMs, like, share, comment, tag. Okay. Then you're going to write out a clean and concise pitch email. I just gave y'all one. Feel free to tweak it how you want to. Then you're going to send at least 5 pitches this week. All right. So let's talk about it. For the homework, that's what I want y'all to do. Look up 5 brands, okay, that you will want to collaborate with this season. Research their contacts and send out y'all first emails. Yeah. And remember, the best time to pitch was yesterday. So the next best time to pitch is going to be today when y'all see this video, like right now. Okay. It should be about 10:15 a.m. depending on where you at. I'm in Central Standard Time. It's 10:15 if you got this far in this video. Soon as it's over, like, share, comment, subscribe, and then go ahead and get the pitch in them emails. That's all I got to say. All right. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that you know when I post next week. Okay. It is now 10:17 a.m. Go ahead and get them pictures done. Talk to y'all next week.